Welcome guys, today is Monday. I'm your host Lou from Sunnyside Physical Therapy and Wellness. Today we're going to bring you another foam rolling video since so many people enjoyed the first one we put up. And this one we're going to talk about sciatica pain as well as plantar fasciitis. So follow along, it's going to be quick and simple. But today we're using a 6-inch foam roller to do this, to do these exercises and stretches we're gonna go over. So to start, we're gonna lay on our back with the knees bent to protect the lower back. I'm gonna place the foam roller towards the end of my mat, and I'll show you why. And we'll recline into a supine position. I'm going to cross my right leg over my left thigh. Imagine I'm having sharp pain running down the back of my legs, which is a typical symptoms for sciatica. Now I'm going to take my foot, place it on the foam roller, and from here I'm going to roll as far up as I can until I feel a nice stretch under my right buttocks and my right thigh. Hold it there. I can adjust my feet, and if I want, I can also do a stretch here to stretch my plantar fascia. Typically you hold that for about 10 seconds and then release down. We'll switch side, pushing the foam roller on the other side. Cross my left leg over my right thigh. Roll, roll, roll. Right about there. I'm starting to feel a nice stretch over here under my hamstrings and my buttocks area. And again, stretching my left plantar fascia. Hold it for about 10 seconds or so. And then relax. There you have it, a nice, simple, relaxing, effective way to stretch the piriformis if you have sciatica pain, and also stretching your plantar fascia if you have plantar fasciitis or burning pain under your feet. And lastly, you can just roll back and forth from this position, keeping your pelvis nice and aligned. Back and forth, keeping the core engaged. And you can call this a foot massager as well as a core exercise. Okay, there you have it. Nice, simple, easy, effective way to treat sciatica pain as well as plantar fasciitis.